Hi, I'm Krista Dempster with Remax City Realty on the Sunshine Coast. Welcome to my new listing.
Class and elegance abound in this 2018 custom-built Heritage Hills masterpiece. Nestled amongst lush natural forest and expansive open water views, this home is nothing short of amazing. A second-level deck delivers an incredible ocean and island view. A separate outdoor living space in the backyard provides you with a peaceful setting to enjoy nature. Inside the home, you'll find Zurich Swiss chocolate flooring, quartz counters, and 9-foot ceilings. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet, a sprawling ensuite washroom, and its own expansive ocean view. You're a 3-minute walk to nearby Armours Beach and the Gibsons seawall. Just a few blocks further are the shops and restaurants of Lower Gibsons. Lower Gibsons is a favorite destination for locals and visitors alike. The nearby Langdale ferry terminal is an 8-minute drive from home. This proximity makes traveling to and from Vancouver a breeze. Welcome to the Sunshine Coast. Let's walk through 598 Bals Lane in Gibsons, BC. The door on our left opens to the attached garage, and on our right is the home office with its own ocean view. Right next door is the main level's 3-piece washroom. There's a shower and a good-sized vanity. Back in the main living space, we see a hall closet with lots of storage space and an open concept floor plan that combines the living room, dining room, and kitchen. The kitchen is resplendent with its quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and extensive cabinetry that stretches up to the ceiling. Behind us is the dining area and the living room with a fireplace and a big window that looks to the backyard and its deck, which we'll visit later in the tour. We turn around and pass through the dining area once more as we make our way to the stairs and the second level. To the right of the stairs is a partially covered second-story deck. The deck has a dazzling view of Shoal Channel. On a clear day, you'll see Vancouver Island in the distance. The master bedroom is breathtaking and has its own view of the ocean. A short hallway first brings us to the walk-in closet before arriving in the gigantic ensuite washroom. There are tile floors, a deep soaker tub, a shower with a glass door, and a massive vanity. Retracing our steps, we return to the hallway at the top of the stairs. Instead of going back to the deck, we instead turn right and discover the laundry room. Across the hall from the laundry is a full 4-piece washroom. There are more tiled floors and another large vanity. The next door leads to bedroom number 2. It's oversized with a spacious closet and a window with an ocean view. Our final stop on the top floor is bedroom number 3. There's another large closet and a window with a forest view. Back downstairs, we return to the kitchen where we find the door that opens to the backyard deck. The deck is big and provides lots of additional living space and is ideal for hosting. Looking over the rail, we see the yard backs onto Gibsons Ravine, which provides you with a lot of privacy when you're outside. 598 Bals Lane is perfect and pristine both inside and out. Inside, it's warm and elegant and is a welcoming space to come home to. The outdoor spaces are serene and close to nature, and of course, there's that fantastic ocean view. This home is incredible. The Gibsons market is very active, and this is the type of home buyers are clamoring for. Don't wait. Call Krista today before you miss out.
I like to build community one home at a time. Call me at 604-740-2050. Thanks for watching.